Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will learn about how to declare many variables in a single line in Python programming language. Let me take three variables that are name, age and address and assigning them value respectively on age, then comma, then age and then comma, and after that the my address till water. Now to check that all variables are declared in a single line or not, I will print them all. Print, then I will type your name is, then concatenate with name variable, then again concatenate with and age is, and concatenate with age variable, then again concatenate with and address is, concatenate with address variable. Now if I will run this program, this will give an error because we cannot concatenate an integer with a string. If you don't know about string concatenation, then watch my previous video. I will give the link in the description. So to concatenate this string with an integer, I will change the type of the integer into the string by replacing the double quotes. I can use here single quotes also, only for Python language. Now I will run this program. You can see the output is your name is Anuj and age is 24 and address is Tilwara that we want. So this was a method to declare many variables in a single line. In Python we can assign a same value for many variables. For example, a equals to b equals to c, d and e, and assign them a same value, that is 10. Save this, and after this I will type print and I will add them all, a plus b plus c plus d plus e, and save the program and run it, and the output is 50, that is right. So guys, thank you for watching the video. This was the method to assign the value for many variables in a single line. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video and subscribe my channel Tech Pahadi.